Okay, hi guys. Okay, so now we go to practice reading again here. So we go to yo and ro. Yo, ro. But so here yo, ye, yi, yi, yu, 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 ye, yu, ye, re, rai, rai, rao, rau, rư, xong to rư, rum, rum, rom, re, ru, ri, rùa. Và yu, yum, rây, ruom. Yi kề, rô tè, rô nghìa, ye cu, kỳ rí, rum pê. Vô thìa, rô nà, cháu cài dùng. Bú bơ bò rô tè cổ. Vô thìa cà bía đầy cỏ. So look at this picture, the first picture, see? Pooper. So Pooper actually is the name of this guy who is on the ox cart. Pooper. Bo the teko is, bo it means like to axe with the ox, okay? And the pictures below here. So yotie means soldier, army. You is to carry with your hand. And yum is to cry. Rom is to dance, okay? Next one is lo, wo. So lo, wo. So practice reading here. We have lo, lia, li, 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 lu, 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 le, lu, lia, we, ve, vây, vợ, vợ, vum, vum, vòm, ve, vu, vi, vò. Lý, lú, lơ, lấy, lẹ, vía, vầy. Rô lùm, lùm hải, lùm nừ, vị thầy, vê lìa, nia vìa, ti lùm nừ, nia rí, rô vây ẩm bò. Nia rí rô vây ẩm bò. Bù chôm, lý chừ. Bù vây cho, bi lơ nia vìa. So see, look at the picture here. So this is Neri Roway Ombo. So Neri is going to a women, is looping. And the picture here, Lu, like a sewer, Lu. And Nervia is, sheep, Nervia. Leechers carry the wood on the shoulder, by leecher. Okay, let's go to Rian Sa Lang Wen here. So this is a review for the second series, letter here. So we have go, ko, ngo, cho, cho, nyo, do, to. Do, to, no, bo, po, mo, yo, ro, lo, wo. Ko ki, ko khơ. Rô nghìa, nhô nhu, tô tu, tùm nê, rùm pê, vê lìa, yô thìa, mò mì, mò mờ. Đi ná che đàm trì, mế ẩm báo tùm lơ bò bè nhì. Mê khung cho Re ria no sala khum. So here exercise here. Balum hat. Cho ku. ភ្ជាប់រូបឲ្យត្រូវនឹងពាក្យខាងក្រោម so they wanted to match the picture with the right letter down here, so I have here, so nhổ nhu, tổ tia và rùm pê. The last one is Joe so say as of Chong on PP and Yo, so you wanted to practice writing the Yo, okay, maybe 10 times the same letter. Okay, so I think thank you very much, guys. This is a good lesson. I hope you will enjoy it, and see you the next lesson. Bye bye.